Are you wondering how do you get out of forbearance from your federally mortgage relief program? Stay tuned. I'll show you 4 ways to do it. If you're like most people, during COVID, you had to take some kind of relief or forbearance for your mortgage. You're not alone. In fact, there's 2.6 million people out there with a forbearance loan right now. And do you know that 800,000 of them getting ready to come up to the end? Now you can ask for an extension. Is that really what you want? How to avoid foreclosure is the first thing you need to do. What you have to do is you have to pay back those forbearance loans. I have 4 ways that you can work out to pay back your forbearance. There's 4 ways to repay your federally mortgage relief program. The first way is a repayment plan. Get with your mortgage service provider, and what they'll do is they'll work out a payment plan for you. You pay your normal mortgage, and then above, you'll pay more to get out of that forbearance. For however long you were in forbearance, that's how much money you have to repay back on your loan. So a repayment schedule works out, if you can afford it, where you pay extra payments every month until you get it paid off. So if you can't afford your mortgage right now, and you can't afford to repay your mortgage, and you're coming up on the end of your program, you can ask for a deferred payment. If your mortgage company agrees to a deferment plan, what you can do is they'll put all your payments that you owe on the back end of the loan with no interest. So, which keeps you out of forbearance, and you'll keep making your monthly payments. Now, the key to this is if you refinance or if you sell, you will have to pay those early payments or those payments back early. Hey, if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring the bell up at the top for notifications. You'll get notified every time I post a new video. Another option is loan modification. Now, again, getting back with your mortgage service provider, they may provide a loan modification to where they give you a lower interest rate or a different term on your mortgage that will help erase some of those forbearance payments. Now, the best way is for a reinstatement. If you're in a good situation right now and you can afford to make all your payments or pay your forbearance in full, then you'll get back to making your normal payments, and it's called reinstatement. Everything will be back to normal and you'll make your normal payments every month. Now, if you're not in that situation, you'll use one of the other options, but this is the best option because it's done and it's done right now. You don't have to worry about anything. So my final thoughts today is this. If you were affected by COVID and you haven't asked for forbearance on your loan and you're struggling to make your mortgage payments, there's programs that can help you. Down in the description, I'm going to post a link that Fannie Mae came up with for a portal for you to get interactive help from them. If you are in forbearance, the best thing to do is try to get out as soon as possible, because this forbearance can end up in foreclosure depending on if you're still not working. Your bank does not have to give you this forbearance forever. So to avoid foreclosure, try to get out of this forbearance as fast as possible. But if you can't, get with your mortgage service provider and let them help you. Hey, I hope I was able to leave something for you today. My whole goal here is just to give you a nugget or something to help you. You're not alone in this situation. You shouldn't feel alone. There are a lot of people in your situation. The best thing to do, though, is work to get out of your situation. If you want to learn how to work from home online, in the description is how I do it, and perhaps if you check it out, that might be something you might be interested in. It might help you in your part-time to get out of your situation faster than most people can. So I hope I taught you something today, and for now, this is Chuck, and Chuck is out.